Hi guys. Everyone loves parties, but no one loves the mess which is left behind them. And one of those pesky things are these, known as foil balloons. Now, pretty easy to inflate, but there is absolutely no clear instruction on how to deflate these things. Well, worry not, that is what I'm going to tell you in today's video. So, you guys hit that like button down below, and I'll tell you how to go from this to this in under 1 minute. Let's get to it, guys. Alright, so to deflate this foil balloon, we'll be needing a straw. And there's one usually inside the package itself, which is this one. And this is the reason probably that you are watching this particular video, because you already tried it and then you said, nah, it does not work. Well, the difference is that this straw is absolutely pathetic, so we are not going to use this. What we are going to do is we are going to use this one. Now we can see that these straws are much longer and much thinner than the one which came inside the package. So this is how big it is. And if you want to buy these straws, then I'll try providing a few buying links in the description below. You can go ahead and check it out. Apart from the difference in the straw, there is one more reason why the deflation often fails. And that thing is how to use the valve correctly. So let's come to the balloon. I'm going to deflate this one. And this is the inflation valve over here, this guy. And it is very important that you insert the straw properly. You see that there's this green colored lip over here, this one. So what we have to do is we have to insert this straw under that lip. If you insert the straw over here, say here in the golden part above the lip, then it is even possible that your balloon will fail and it would start leaking. So this is the green lip over here. This could be different in your balloon. It would be orange, or it can be any other color. It's blue in some of my balloons, so it's green in this one. And sometimes this thing is pretty hidden over here, and in some balloons it is quite big till this area. So it really depends. There's not much quality control in these balloons. But the insertion method is that the straw should go under this green lip. So here I'm trying to insert it like so, and yeah, I've got it below that green lip. You see, this is under that green lip. Now we'll insert this straw all the way in, and at this point you would be feeling a little bit of resistance somewhere over here, because the internal valve which is there to prevent the air escaping is located somewhere here. So let's say 2 or 3 inches inside. So continue inserting the straw a little bit further, and now it should start deflating. So here I have inserted this straw. Now what we can do is we can press on it and it should start deflating. Here, so the straw is now very well inside and it has started deflating. I don't know if you can hear this, but I can hear the air oozing out. And you can simply press on the balloon using your hands, or you could just put a big book on it, so even that will help to flatten it out. So I'll just remove the air from this balloon and you guys enjoy this music. And here, that is one deflated party balloon, and it is absolutely ready to join your party next year. After you are done with this process, you can just remove the straw and you can store it with your packet of balloons, so that you can keep using your foil balloons over and over again. And guys, if you like these kind of tips, then I have a dedicated playlist for you. The playlist is over here in the I button or in the description. The playlist is known as Everyday Tech, where I provide daily, day-to-day tips and tricks, kitchen tips, and all different kind of DIY hacks. So make sure to go ahead and check it out. And by the way, if this method worked for you, please don't leave without putting a like. Take care and have a nice day, guys.